Welcome back guys. This time Villa Escudero yung i-feature natin, sharing with you some of the videos and photos we had when we visited Villa Escudero Plantation and Resorts last December 2023. So they have pools, okay, and they have the museum right there, the pink one. Also, ito yung mga area nila sa labas or sa vicinity. They also have the rafting at their lake. Of course, they have their swimming pools. I think 3 large swimming pools meron sila. You can have some refreshments. May cultural show in the afternoon. Of course, Carabao cart ride and the buffet lunch over the waterfalls. Okay? So tara, please watch until the end para ma-experience natin yung whole day trip natin sa Villa Escudero. So galing kami ng Quezon City this time and sumakay lang kami ng bus. Any bus going to Lucena, that will do. And nadadaan ng Tiaong, Quezon. Pwede kayong magpababa, sabihin nyo lang na Villa Escudero if you are planning to have it on a public transport. Okay? So Villa Escudero lang. Alam na nila kung saan kayo ibababa, but keep reminding the conductor na magpapababa kayo sa Villa Escudero. So gamit lang din kayo ng Google Maps, is malapit na kayo dun sa drop-off point papuntang Villa Escudero. Kasi once you're there, magta-tricycle pa kayo papasok doon sa pinaka-property kasi medyo looban pa talaga siya eh. Ayan, so pagbaba nyo kasi sa may parang waiting shed doon, tatawid lang kayo and then may ano na doon, may nakaabang na ng mga nagta-tricycle. Even yung pauwi nyo, kailangan nyo sabihin sa reception para kung walang available na tricycle by the time na pabalik kayo sa main road, tatawag naman sila dyan ng tricycle. Okay? Sorry but I forgot kung magkano yung sa tricycle namin. But sasabihin naman nila kung magkano. We just added some tip kasi yun lang din yung kanilang parang source of income, yung doon sa paghatid sundo ng mga guest doon sa Villa Escudero. Okay, so umalis kami ng madaling araw, no, because that's 3 to 4 hours by bus if public transport. So this is December, mag-New Year na, kaya ganito na may mga ang design nila is parol-parol. As to the entrance, it's 1.8 for the regular days and then special holidays 2.1. And then kasama na dun yung museum tour, Carabao cart ride, recreational activities, and then yung lunch nyo sa waterfall, and then cultural show. So ito yung pinaka-map ng buong Villa Escudero na open for public. And then yung mga mag-a-assist sa inyo, ito sila ate, naka-Filipiniana, traditional outfit. And then ito yung nasa labas sa may entrance area. So ito yung papunta naman sa may museum, yung pink museum doon. And then yeah, this is the garden, no, nila. Tapos ito yung sa may area, sa may labas lang ng museum. Okay. So, yun yung Carabao cart ride na sinasabi nila. Then, ihatid kayo dun sa pinaka-lobby, nung pinaka, resort area. Okay. So, ito yung pick up and drop off point ng Carabao cart ride. So iba-iba yung kulay na kanilang Carabao cart ride. And then naka-costume din sila, yung sila kuyang papatakbo ng Carabao cart ride. And then iyan yung pangalan ng Carabao, si Sexy. And then while on the road, merong sasabay sa inyo para kumanta naman sila, no? Let's enjoy this ride, guys. Let's appreciate the singing and also the song. Okay? Ayan, hope you enjoyed the glimpse of it. Yung pagharana din nila atin, kuya. And then yung experience natin dito sa Carabao Kart Ride. No, while nandito sa ride na mabagal kasi nga hinihila lang tayo ng Carabao. So, yan na yung pinaka-lobby nila, yung minikita nating roof na red. Lobby ng resort. Okay? So, samahan nyo ako until the end para mamaya manonood tayo ng cultural show and iikot tayo sa pinaka-property. Alright, makita natin swimming pools, experience sa swimming pools, and also the rafting doon sa, wood rafting doon sa lake. Ayan, yan yung mga design dito, no? Kilala ko kung sino yung nag-paint yan. And shout out to you, artist G. Macam. Yan, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng mga, yan, ng mga painting mo dito. Dito ginaganapin sa cultural show. Later, abangan yan sa video kasi may contest dito, no, para sa cultural show. Nagka-practice ang iba. So, ito yung kanilang dining area and cultural hall. And then, right after, yun na yung kanilang lake. Okay, so ito yung rafting. Just as sila Kuya naka-yellow, no, if you will take a raft ride. Okay? So, required yung vest, of course. Ayan, kayo na yung magsasagwan sa sarili nyo din. Okay, ikot-ikot lang. Ayan, masaya. Masaya experience din. And at least hindi siya ganun na umulan. Medyo umambon siya, pero just drizzle lang. Hindi siya yung talagang downpour ng rain. Kalmado din naman kasi this is somehow a lake, or I'm not sure if it's really a lake na connected doon sa kanilang hydroelectric dam. So this is it. Experiences 1. This is part of your day tour, day trip, no? So enjoy nyo yan, guys. So ito naman yung pool area nila, may kids area para sa pool, may kids section. And then ito yung area nila para sa main pool. Ayan, mababaw siya hanggang palalim. Okay, malinis to ha, malinis naman siya. And yun na dun sa taas, yun naman yung may jacuzzi. I think mga 4 ata na jacuzzi yun. Tapos yun yung may malalim na area. Okay, for adult talaga. Yeah. So, may mga lifeguards naman na nag-oversee ng area. So, ito yung may jacuzzi. Ayan, 3 lang pala. Tapos, meron silang, ayan, mga sa kanilang bars and restaurant. Yan madumi guys ha. May design lang kasi yung doon sa tiles kaya nagmukha siyang ganun yung kulay, pero malinis yan, malinis lahat ng pools nila rito. ito yung jacuzzi nila. May mga air bubbles. Yan. Yan, ito adult pool na to kasi malalim na yan agad. Okay. Nasa website din nila yung mga hotel rates if you want to avail yung mag-overnight dito, spending a night or 2 or 3. Ayan. Okay, so we've seen the pool area, the lake, the rafting area, and also we experienced earlier yung kanilang boat ride. No, the cart ride rather. So this one, lunchtime na. Dito na ginaganap yung lunch sa may falls nila. Okay, waterfalls. So dito yan. Your feet will be really soaked to water. So may mga lagayan din yan ng shoes, slippers, yan. Pwede kayo mag barefoot naman dyan. Malinis naman yung tubig. And lots of tables, no? So part to nung binayaran nyo as a day trip na 2-1 or 1-8. Ayan. So buffet lunch to. Okay. So yan yung tubig. Mababaw lang naman pero you will really feel the cold water running through your feet. Ayan. So masarap din yung food nila. Pinoy food. Yan, so ito yung kanilang buffet area. Yan, kuha lang. Masarap. Ayan, kamatis, talong, mga atsara nila. Yan. So we have pansit, chicken, pork, atsara. Ayan, may gatang, kalabasa, may banana cue pa, watermelon, may fruits. Of course, may fish. Yeah, may sasawan din. So, lahat andito. So, ang sasarap din yan. No? Buffet yan, unlimited. So, kuha lang if you really want to taste yung iba nilang mga putahe. And then this one, may buko juice. Separate yung buko juice nga lang. You have to buy that separately. So ayan, umikot ulit tayo and then naabutan na natin itong kanilang cultural show sa hapon naman na ito. Okay, so enjoy glimpse lang yung maipapakita ko. Okay?
Sayaw sa bangko.
Ito naman, yung performance na to is a skit, is a small play related doon sa Sabong, I think. Ayan. This is a fun skit actually, coming from them as they portray yung usual lives of Filipino before sa Sabong, and then sa mag-asawa and yung kanilang so pag-aaway and yung pagsusuyuan ulit, no? This is really cute. So ito naman is parang playing some bamboo instruments, musical instruments made of bamboo. Ayan. So I think they end the show with this. Ito na yung last performance. I believe parang mga 10 performances ata yun. Okay. Yeah. So past 4 na. So we decided to go back na din and magpatid na rin dun sa main reception nila. Okay, so that's it. Na-enjoy namin yung stay namin, day trip dito sa Villa Escudero sa Chaong, Quezon. Please like and share this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.